Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'm going to be making a video where I show you guys some of my favorite things to ask my Amazon Echo Dot. Alexa is pretty hilarious. Uh-oh. Stop.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So I'm just going to jump right into it. Alexa, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck would chuck all the wood he could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Alexa, what's your favorite video game?
My focus is on Horizon Zero Dawn. Shooting robot dinosaurs with a bow and arrow was fun, and the storyline nearly blew my circuits. I'd have to be deranged not to like it.
That was surprisingly very detailed, thank you. Alexa, what's your favorite color?
Infrared is super pretty.
That's a pun. Golly. Alexa, what's your favorite book?
I found Hidden Figures by Margot Lee Shetterly to be hugely inspirational. I'm so glad she shared the story of these remarkable women and mathematicians who helped send us safely to outer space.
Wow, I'll have to check that out. Alexa, who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actors are Benedict Cumberbatch and Emma Watson. I love Benedict as Sherlock Holmes, and Emma is a great humanitarian, promoting education and gender equality.
Wow. Alexa, what's your favorite movie?
How could anyone not love The Princess Bride? The thought is inconceivable.
Alexa, what's your favorite Star Wars movie?
I'm a Star Wars fan in general, but I'd have to say that The Empire Strikes Back is my favorite. It was impressive. Most impressive.
I have to agree with you, Alexa. I think my favorite Star Wars movie is also The Empire Strikes Back. Alexa, who do you love?
I'm a bit sentimental, so I'm going to say R2-D2. You never forget your first crush.
Alexa, Luke, I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible.
Alexa, who shot first?
Han shot first in the original version of Star Wars Episode 4.
Alexa, what do you think about Siri?
I like all AIs.
Alexa, what do you think about Apple?
Companies that begin with an A are awesome.
Because Amazon and Apple. Alexa, what do you think about Google?
Google's a search engine, but I'm different.
She's different. Alexa, what's your favorite food?
While I appreciate great food, my good taste is better reflected in the company I keep.
Alexa, what's the meaning of life?
42.
Alexa, who's your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite tuber is the potato.
Favorite tuber? Alexa, will you be my friend?
Sure. I'm always happy to make new friends.
Alexa, how do I make friends?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, what was your favorite subject in school?
Literature is my favorite. I love to read the day away.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
I took the shell off my racing snail to make him faster. But now he's more sluggish.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What position does Kool-Aid Man play in baseball? Relief pitcher. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Guys, Alexa's pretty funny. I love asking it questions. It's pretty sad that my wife and I spent like 50 bucks on that thing, and that's basically all we do with it, besides controlling our lights. But I appreciate you guys watching my video. I make weekly entertainment, tech, and review content. So if you guys want to come along for the journey, give my channel a subscribe. If you guys are in the market to buy an Amazon Echo, you can check out the link down below. It will help support the channel if you buy it through the link. If you guys decide not to do that, I appreciate you watching anyways, and hope to see you in the next one.